Wow. Okay. That is insane. Oh shit. These were steps. Oh shit. Wow. The whole neighborhood is obliterated. As you can see, it's deep, almost 30 inches. I will be having fun digging out this car, both of them actually. Wow. Oh, cool, a hole. Poor car. This is going to take so long to dig out. Look at the sky. This isn't even the end of it. Lots of fun though, because I will be digging for hours. Well, I'm glad these shoes are old, for I have no snowshoes. Should have prepared. Time to make my trek. It is dead. That, my friends, is a main road, usually busy with cars. And I faintly hear a siren. Oh, there's a car. Cool street. Epic snowstorm, my friends.